beat drop. Let me see your shoulders work. I mean, I don't know what y'all came in to do, but if you ain't got a lighter, what the fuck you smoking for?
What the fuck though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Wow, get the fuck though. I don't bluff, bro. Aiming at your head like a buffalo. You a roughneck, I'm a cutthroat. You a tough guy. That's enough jokes. Then the sun died. The night is young though. The diamond still shine. In a rough hole. What the fuck though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, where the ones go?
Bitches wanna beef, get your bar up. I am the best, bar none. And I'm screaming, fuck Trump. Black girls, stand up. Bitch, I'm nasty. And I don't give a fuck like what is classy. Smoking on cat pee. And my voice is raspy. I know these hoes can't stand me. I'm black queen in a black coupe with some black niggas and some black.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, bitch. So, if you don't already know from the previous video, I just did this look and I was high as fuck. And now I'm even more high as fuck because I just did another round of 3 joints. So now I just went some grocery shopping with one of my friends and I just got a few stuff and I'm gonna cook for you guys again because I really enjoy those videos. So, and I know, like, whatever, and I'm gonna be playing music like I do DJ for you guys, like, hey. So let me just show you guys what I got when I went grocery shopping. Okay, so what I got from the grocery store, I got some snacks, kinda, and I got stuff for like just lunch, breakfast, well, not breakfast because I have stuff for breakfast, but for lunch, just something quick and easy. And then I got what I'm making today. So yeah, so some lettuce, I'm going to be using that today. Some beef, only because I couldn't get the turkey ones, so I just got beef, only 12% fat, the other one had 20, so yeah, and it's 100%. I got some strawberry milk. I actually got 2 strawberry milks because they're like my favorite, and it actually is a source of calcium, protein, and vitamin B12. So it's not that bad. Like, if you see here, it only has 1 red thing, which isn't bad. And I don't, like, this will last me for a really long time, honestly. I got some fries. This is what I got for like quick, easy lunches because I got something else in here from that. I got some whole wheat bread that I can also use for breakfast. I only got half because I don't really eat bread like that. And then I got 2 different kinds of chicken nuggets. Yeah, they're 100% chicken breast meat, and then this one, yeah, this is the same. I don't know, I think one's breaded and one's battered. So I just wanted to try it. So this is also for like a lunch thing, so I'm not gonna be eating that. I got some cheese for what I'm making today. And this is for like morning snacks or like chilling snacks that I really just love. They're these shortbread fingers that I can have with my tea. And then I also got me a little, just one for today. It's a Desperado. It's some beer flavored, like, and with some tequila in there. It was brewed in the Netherlands, and I also got me like a snack that I'm not gonna finish, and it's just some like Pringles. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put what I'm not using away and then set everything up. All right, also forgot to mention that I didn't buy these, but my mom shipped them over to me because these are my favorite tea bags. They're English blend tea bags, and over here in Ireland they have their own tea bags, which is very like strong, but I like these ones, so she shipped it to me. Thank you, mommy. So I'm back, And I didn't tell you guys what I'm making and explain it to you basically. So what I'm making is some chopped cheese sandwich. So basically it's the sandwich that they sell in a bodega in New York, which involves beef, cheese, and basically spices. But if you don't want spices, you don't have to have spices, onions, peppers, pickles, all that. So whatever you want in your sandwich, have it in your sandwich. It's just really cheesy. So yeah. So right here I'm just seasoning the meat with some garlic powder, some pepper, and some herb seasoning. And yeah, I didn't really put any peppers or onions in there because I just really didn't want it. I did put some onion powder in there, and I ended up putting hot chili flakes at the end of it once I put the cheese in, but I didn't film it. So yeah. Now I'm just putting the cheese up on the cooked meat, and you just use as much as you want to use. Yeah. I promise you guys, I believed I filmed so much more than what I'm showing you guys. Like the toast, like, oh my god. But now you see how it's all gooey and nice. And, yes, so I'm just going to be dressing up my sandwich and yada yada yada. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it's all finished and done. Alright, let me try this. This is good. The one who do something. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Call me Dre. I'm in control.
Oh, fuck. Shit. Bitch. Yes, shit. No, shit. I'm getting really rich. See, I was doing it because I really want the shit. See, in the streets and I be really want it.